you sweeping? Oh, you want to put it back?
Yeah.
I help you? Here, let me. Hey, could you sweep a little? You sweeping up the dirt? Where's your? We'll put it back. Where's your broom? Oh, it's over in the corner. Go get it. Over there. No, over here. This way. Go that right there. Oops. Look, go get your broom. You sweeping? All right, nice job. Aubrey, say I sweep. I sweep, I sweep. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Say mwah.
Mwah.
Nice.